going on, guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, guys, today we're in Midway Hollow. We're only 10 minutes away from Gallery Mall, 20 minutes from downtown Dallas, and 30 minutes to DFW Airport. Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2023. It's a 5-bedroom, 4 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,272 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,649,000, which is $386 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.24 acre lot, which is 10,400 square feet.
Wow, thank you so much for that information, Sheila. Guys, remember, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, you want to partner with true luxury agents. Well, we have over 10 years experience. We're partnered with the #1 luxury brokerage in town, and you get 2 agents instead of 1. That's a lot. Anyways, enough about that. Sheila, let's go check out this property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.